is the Largo Central Railroad. It's in Largo, Florida. Today is sunny Saturday. It's going to be 80 degrees. It's the 2nd of February 2008, and we're here to ride the train.
Well, the traffic's very smooth.
Well, that train derailed, and now we did too.
It's off the track!
It slipped off the track, off the rail. I'm not saying why it fell off the track.
Yeah. I don't know how.
Going, then why are you whining?
Yeah.
What's the matter? Are you sad?
He's hot. Hey, Jacob. I think they weren't connected right.
What do you want to do?
Too heavy just to lift up? There you go.
Yeah. We're gonna back up for a minute, so
Get on, get on.
stay on.
All right, let's see what happens. No, it smells good, doesn't it?
Why does it go like that?
That guy had left that whistle on the next to the line.
Benny, you having fun? You like the train? Look at the camera, Benny. Benny, look at the camera. Camera hog.
Yes, I am.
It's 11:30. Yeah. Not sure if he wants to ride.
Step off to your left, please. Thanks for riding with us. Sorry it took so long. But
Thanks, Sandy. That was better than the regular ride.
there you go.
Jacob, Benny, say thank you.
You bet. Bye. There you go.
Jacob, come on, buddy.
Take care. Thank you.
What did you like about the trains, Benny?
I like when it was when through the tunnel.
Did you like that? Jacob, come tell me what you liked.
I like the same thing as Ben.
What was that?
Tunnel.
What else did you like? Did you like when we went off the track?
Yeah.
They had to fix that, didn't they?
No, I didn't like that, but I like that we get to go to the playground.
You like the playground, huh? You want to go to the playground, Benny?
Yeah.
Is it nice and sunny today?
Yeah, but and And I like the waterfall.
Oh, the waterfall was cool, huh?
Me too.
Hey, Benny. Benny, can you say the frog was in the waterfall?
The dog was in the waterfall.
Cool. Now, Wendy is from up north. In February, Wendy dresses her children like it's up north. Sweats, t-shirt. It's 80 degrees. It's hot. It's stuffy. But my child is wearing sweats. And I don't know why. I had shorts on him this morning and she made him put on sweats. Because she's weird.
50 degrees.
She's weird. It's 80 degrees when we're at the park.
I'm getting hot.
I know you're hot. Your mommy's hot. That's the only reason I put up with her.